Hi everyone, it's time for another unboxing video. This just arrived yesterday for me. I ordered them on Sunday and I'm about to show you what they are. So, here we go. Yep. Here we have the Veho Kuzo Pocket Camcorder. Yes. Let's just open it up, just so you can see. And I'm going to get bombarded with little gadgets and pieces. But, yeah. And that's it. That is how big it is. I was surprised it's that small, actually. Yeah. That cost about 80 quid, I think. 79, 89 quid. No, not that much. And here's what came with it in the envelope. And it's to open. Yep, that is accessory for it. It's an 8GB Sandisk SD card, which will no doubt help me out with recording time and stuff. Yeah, big package for such a small thing, isn't it? That's not actually the whole thing. There's still one more thing to arrive. It's a card reader for this, so I can insert it into a laptop. Although I do believe the camcorder does have a cable with it, so I can transfer it by USB, failing that. But yeah, I've now got my own camcorder, and obviously I'll let you know. I'll have to figure it out, but I'll let you know how it goes. So there's another unboxing for you. Peace out, everyone.